You guys, I'm freaking out. I've already cried. I'm so excited, but I'm also very nervous. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have one of the most exciting unboxings for you. Literally. Okay. I have my dream bag unboxing and yeah, let's just get into it.
So until then, just wait.
So if you saw in one of my recent videos, I'll link it up here. It was my luxury wish list of 2022, and I mentioned that my number one was a Chanel classic flap, and I can barely contain myself because I was able to get a Chanel classic flap. I am so unbelievably excited and terrified and happy and every single emotion all at the same time, except for sad. I'm not sad, at least not yet. I haven't seen the bag. I literally just got it in the mail 5 seconds ago and I only took it out of its like cardboard box. I haven't even unboxed it. I haven't seen it yet. So it's a true blind unboxing, if you will. So I did get this bag from The RealReal, and I know some people have had issues with The RealReal in the past. I did not know about their like scandals and stuff before I ordered this, so I will have this bag re-authenticated just to be sure everything is good. But here is the box that it came in. The box is really nice. I like the like olive green on here. I think it's super pretty. I'm so excited. Now this bag is vintage. It's not like a modern Chanel classic flap because I was going so back and forth. I could not, you know, decide on really what I wanted. I was going between like I really wanted the lambskin classic flap with like gold hardware or rose gold hardware or something. But then, you know, that's like $8,200, which is kind of insane. So then I was like, well, maybe I could get a vintage one because they're around the same price as like a mini size and I could just do a vintage. But then I was like, nah, why don't I get like a mini flap, like a mini rectangle flap? Because I've heard from multiple sources or people that you can fit relatively the same amount in the mini as you would the small because of the double flap situation. So I went to the Chanel store nearest me and looked at the mini size. I liked it. I still didn't love it. I still liked the small size more because I really love the double strap situation. With the mini size, it's just one long strap and you can't really do it like a, you can wear it as a shoulder bag, but you can't do like a double strap. It's just one long strap. And I really love the double strap look. So I went on YouTube and I just looked up a bunch of stuff and like watched a lot of videos, and then I saw a lot of people getting vintage ones, and I just kind of went back to that idea of, oh my god, maybe I want a vintage one. So I scoured the internet trying to find like vintage ones, and there were quite a few. I mean, I feel like a lot of people had like these vintage Chanels from like 20 years ago. This one in particular is from the late 1990s, early 2000s. So it technically still is vintage, but it's like a newer vintage. So I'm very happy about that. I'm so excited. I haven't seen this yet. It comes in its own like wrapping and stuff. And also the vintage ones still have the 24 karat gold plated hardware, whereas the newer ones do not. Oh my god! You guys! Oh my god! Look! Oh my god, you guys, look! It's in such good condition. It has like a few nicks and stuff throughout, which I already knew. It's in such good condition, you guys. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Here's the front. I'm gonna do like B-roll as well on like mod shots and stuff of this baby, but like, oh my god. Oh, I've already cried. Because, okay, one thing that I did is that I made sure that there weren't any like punctures inside of my box. Not this box, but the box that it came in, because I did see horror stories, not particularly of the real, but like like luxury resellers and stuff like that, where people did have issues where other people had like either like just cut open the box and stole their item, and then when the person got it, they got an empty box, or like people like cutting holes in the side and like pulling it out, or like damaging the item or something. So that is something that I was really like having the worst anxiety over. So I was just like, please let it get here, okay? Please let it get here, okay? The leather is so soft. This is lambskin, it's not caviar, which I really decided that I liked the look of the lambskin a lot. Oh my god, it comes with the authenticity card. I didn't know that. Oh, that's wonderful. I didn't know it came with the authenticity card. When you're looking at the real, they say like comes with authenticity card, comes with box, comes with dust bag or whatever. And this one did not say it came with the authenticity card. So that it does, I'm so jazzed about that. Oh my god, it just looks so nice. And here's the inside. Again, it is vintage, so it's going to look a little different than like regular ones. It says Chanel, but don't worry, right here it does say made in France right there. It doesn't say it on this bit like the newer ones do. The newer ones say it right below the Chanel. Oh my gosh, you guys, here's the little zip pocket right here, and then the Mona Lisa pocket on the back. Oh my god. I am still gonna get this re-authenticated just to be like extra safe, because I thought that re-authenticating stuff costs like hundreds of dollars. Apparently it's only like 30 bucks to re-authenticate something. So I am gonna be doing that just so I can get like a second opinion as well, just because I found out that the Real has a few issues with authenticating things sometimes. So I do not want this to be, I mean, I genuinely think this is real. I don't think this is a fake bag or anything like that. Hi, Editing Kenzie here. Also a couple of extra things that I wanted to point out that I found out afterwards, to where it does still make me think that it's a real bag. It kind of like solidifies that for me. The first thing that my husband said when he saw the bag, he said, wow, it smells like leather. And I was like, it does, right? Like it smells like that, like leather. And he goes, I have it right here. He goes, yeah, it smells exactly like leather. And I'm like, okay, well, that's actually a really good sign, because fake bags that are not made out of leather or some kind of like fake leather do not smell like genuine leather. So that was a good sign for me. And then also I double checked the CC logo on the flap inside. Apparently there's like a certain way it was like stitched in, and there's like a correct way of doing it and a fake way of doing it, and mine has the correct way of stitching. So I'm very excited about that. So that's two extra things that happened that I do think solidifies that this bag is authentic. I'm still gonna do the secondary authentication just to be like extra super duper safe, but yeah, I think we're good. But I am going to like triple check and like quadruple check and everything. But you guys, this bag, I'm so happy. Okay, let me see if I can get this packaging off the top here. While I'm doing this B-roll close-ups, I just wanted to talk a little bit about pricing and stuff like that. I looked at the mini size because I was like, hey, it's around the same price as the vintage one. But then I was thinking about it and I was like, I could just get a vintage one for around the same price as a mini, and it's a classic flap. Like the mini ones are not considered part of the classic line because it doesn't have the double flap situation. So I was like, why am I contemplating on spending the same amount of money for a mini size that's not even part of the classic range when I could just get a vintage one? And it was definitely much cheaper. I actually ended up paying less than what the mini would have been anyways, so win-win. Okay, I got the packaging off of the straps, and they're so cute. So this is the one thing that I really wanted to be able to do. I really liked being able to do this. I don't know why. And then like pulling it back up like that, super cute. So I'm going to show you guys a few ways that you can wear this. So of course this is the way that I'll probably wear it. I love wearing them like on my shoulder like this. So cute. Look at this. Look how precious. Look how cute. And then of course you can wear it as like a longer kind of shoulder bag like that. Super cute like that as well. You can technically wear it as crossbody. I don't think I can do that because I think I'm too tall. It does sit a bit short on me. I feel like if I was a little shorter, this would do very well, but it is pretty short. It's like directly under my boob. Maybe I could get away with it. I don't know. I feel like it may be a tiny bit uncomfortable for me, but personally for myself, I was gonna wear it as like a shoulder bag or do one of these and have it like this. Probably like this most of the time, or even like on the hook of my arm like that. So very, very cute. I am obsessed. And I will say, I'm not gonna lie, as I was trying to get the packaging off of these straps here, I was like Googling fake authenticity card because I was like, I had no idea it was going to be coming with the authenticity card just because it didn't say it on the listing. I like compared like the text and everything and like made sure that it looked correct. And it does seem to look correct. Again, I'm gonna get it re-authenticated and everything as well just to be like extra safe, but the authenticity card doesn't look to be like in pristine condition either. It does look like it has like a tiny bit of wear too, so maybe that's a good thing. And one thing that I was very happy about as well is that with the older bags like this, you still have again the 24 karat gold plated hardware. And I really, really like that just because, I don't know, with the newer ones, I feel like they're beautiful, they're immaculate, they're incredible, and I want a newer one as well, maybe someday. I feel like the quality on the older ones, and I feel like many people agree with this as well, not just with handbags, but with many other things like gaming consoles, cars, stuff like that. They were just made better, I feel like. The newer ones have all like the glitz and glam and everything, but the older ones were just made with so much better quality. So this one of course does have that, and just the logo is immaculate. And I do think that this little, let me zoom in, this little doodad right there is what is the indicator if this is 24 karat gold plated or not. I do believe the newer ones, like after 2008, do not have that little indentation on the C right there. I'll have to like look it up and see and double check, but I don't think so. And this lambskin is very soft. I'm so scared to ruin this or get it messed up in any way, but you guys, I have a Chanel classic flap and I cannot believe it. I ordered one of those like little table hooks that go like on your table, and then it has a hook that goes down like for this bag because I don't ever want this bag touching the floor. I don't know, but you guys, that has been my unboxing and I have rambled just so much about this. I think I made a really good decision because I'm getting the history with this bag, I'm getting the quality, I'm getting the 24 gold plate hardware, I'm getting, you know, Chanel in its best days. I feel like I think Chanel's still popping and still doing really well, but this is like a Chanel in like its heyday, you know, when it was just the most popular thing on the planet, you know. So I do think that this is just a wonderful piece of history right here, and it's just so gorgeous and beautiful, and I love it to literal bits. I know that the lambskin isn't as puffy anymore, but that's okay. I actually really quite like the kind of deflated look as long as there's no scratches and stuff. There's like teeny tiny little hairline scratches, but there's not noticeable in the slightest. I always forget about this pocket back here. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go. My camera battery's flashing, but I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'm so excited. I can't contain my excitement. I'm gonna take this everywhere. This is gonna be my go-to bag now. But anyways, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button and subscribe if you want to, and follow me on Instagram because I post a lot over there. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!